I don't think I'm wrong if I say that the DNA of Saint Francis Xavier is in the blood of all of Hindus, Catholics, Muslims, and others. And I think proof of that is when you go to Old Goa, when you see the crowd of people coming there. You find people coming from various religions. Need not be only Catholics. That is because the faith one has in that saint. If one did not have that faith, I don't think you will find such crowds at the Old Goa Church. I said that itself is there.
तर आनी एक मेजर स्टेटमेंट म्हणजे हे थांबपाक जाय पण ते थांबना कित्याक बीजेपीचो मंत्री दुसरो सुभाष वेलिंगकर म्हणपाक शकता आमी. अलेक्स म्हणटा की सगळ्या गोंयकारांच्या डीएनएन खंय फ्रांसीस झेवियराची डीएनए आसा म्हणटा.
सी दिस इज द होल प्रॉब्लम. कितें म्हणलें आलिश सिकेरा
म्हणटा कितें की सगळ्या गोंयकारांच्या म्हणजे सगळ्या धर्माच्या गोंयकारां मदीं सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराचो डीएनए आसा. सो तो आनी हेतून तेल ओतता कशें दिसना.
Definitely. So I don't know whether he made a statement.
Yeah, he made on camera.
But if he's made a statement like this, then it shows that Alesh Sikera's brain is now completely in a state of terminal degeneration. It started with him jumping from the Congress to the BJP. But if he's made a statement like this, that's another example of a brain being in complete degeneration.